This would be your opening screen for Pixie after you downloaded it to your computer. I just did the free version. I am trying it, but after that I think I would have to pay for it. On Pixie we can make our own background, we can put animals in it, or people in it, or objects in it, and then from there we can record ourselves on the slide to tell the story, or we could do it to retell a story and hit those skills. So today I'm just going to show you how easy it is to use. And we're going to pretend that we're recreating a scene from Clifford Goes to Dog School. We just read that in class. So we would start with this blank slide, and if you wanted to just change the background color, you would go over to this white square and hit it. And then you could select your color from there. So if you wanted green, you could select green and then hit OK. In Clifford Goes to Dog School, the background is not just green. There is an actual picture. They're outside, they're by the street, they're at the park. So we're going to go over to Library, which is in the top right corner, and click on that. Library, we have backgrounds, stickers. Backgrounds are mandatory, it's the background of the picture. And then for stickers would be in the picture. So we would put Clifford and Emily Elizabeth and her aunt and then her dog Sandy. So we will pick the background first, so click on that. There's a variety of backgrounds that we can pick from. I'm going to pick from the community. I said they're outside, so I'll just hit the park. And then when I want to go back to the home screen for the library, I would go up to House and click on that. And now I need stickers. And I'll click on stickers. I need Clifford and Sandy, and Clifford and Sandy are both dogs. So I could and find them from there, or I could go down to the search bar, type in dog, and find dogs from there. Now I have I spelled dog wrong. I have already searched dog and I know there are no Cliffords on here, so I'm just going to pick a dog and make it really big to pretend it's Clifford. Drag it over, and then to make it bigger you would just drag sides up. Clifford. Now I need a Sandy. That's her aunt's dog. So I'm just gonna pick two dogs. If I get more than one, I can just hit the backspace on my keyboard and it deletes it. And Sandy's not a chow, so I'm gonna delete that one and go back to the boxer. Know that Emily Elizabeth and her aunt are both girls, so I'm going to type in girl now and see what we can find. Emily Elizabeth has blonde hair, so I'm going to use the blonde-haired girl and put her over by Clifford. I'm going to make her just a little bit bigger, and then I'm going to have this other lady be Emily Elizabeth's aunt, Sandy. Now from here, I can add another picture, or add another page, not another picture, I can add another page, and I go up here to the page sign, and there's a plus up there, and click on that to add another page to my story. But we're going to focus on the first page again. Now I need to record my story. So to record my story, I would go back up to the right-hand corner, and there's this option button with the gears, and I would click on that. And then I would go all the way down to the bottom, hit the record button for sound. I'm not going to do it right now because you would just hear me record myself. And so after I would hit record, I would say, in this picture, or in this story, Clifford goes to dog school, and Emily Elizabeth's aunt decides that Clifford is too big for dog school, so she is going to teach Clifford tricks and things herself. And then on the next page, I could show a picture of Clifford learning how to sit, or Clifford learning how to stay. things like that. And then when we're all done, we can hit save over here and replay it, and we would be able to watch it. The kids could work in pairs to retell the story, or the kids could work by themselves independently, and then it would be fun to come back as a group and show their retelling of the story.